Welcome back, guys. So today we are in Cat Pound. I'm going to show you how to get into the vet room without unlocking the doors. So first you jump up on this blue and yellow blocks. Then you get to here. You gotta be careful now, not to fall. I fall sometimes, so that's why I said that. Okay. And then you could just say in that room, but it's locked. So this is how you get in, and then boom, you're in the vet. So this is also how you get out. My stamina is low, so we gotta wait. How long is? Okay, jump. And let it refill, and then put this on, and then jump, and then you're on this, and then you could just fall. Okay, bye guys.